UAE is one of the most popular travel destinations. It is centrally located and connected to many parts of the world, so reaching here is not a challenge. But real question is, how to plan your trip and make it most memorable as well as most affordable. Get ready for a legendary journey with legendary discovery. Today, we're diving into the heart of Dubai, uncovering the perfect plan for your visit and exploring why the UAE is the ultimate budget-friendly tourist attraction. Most of the times, people are at the mercy of the travel consultants and tour guides for planning their trips. We have so many examples of our friends and family that they did not have a good experience in their tours, because many of the tour operators will just take you to places which give them the best discounts. So we thought to make a video on our YouTube channel to help you plan your own customized trip which you will enjoy the most. How to plan your UAE trip. There are some basic questions which we will answer for you. 1. When to travel. 2. For how long? 3. How to get visa. 4. Where to stay. 5. Where to go. And of course the most important question, budget. Most of us first decide the budget and then see what all can fit in that budget. We will cover that too. 1. When to travel. If you have a flexibility to choose when to travel to UAE, you would want to avoid the summers here. You may be aware of that best time to travel to UAE is from November till April. Although people travel to UAE round the clock, throughout the year. So how would you choose when to come? Let's look at certain pros and cons to make this clearer. November to April, peak tourist season. Pro. Good weather. More attractions are open, including outdoors, like Global Village and Miracle Garden. Festivities and entertainment. Dubai Shopping Festival and other sale events. Cons. Higher airfares. Hotels will have higher rates for stay. Gets crowded. May to October, off-season. Pro. Comparatively cheaper airfares. Hotels have cheaper rates due to off-season. Less crowd. Cons. Hot and humid. Only indoor attractions open. 2. How long to stay. Ideal stay duration in UAE is 7 to 8 days as a tourist, which is also most cost-effective. Some tour operators give packages of 4 to 5 day UAE trip. According to us, that is very hectic, so we won't recommend you to do that. Also, based on your budget, you can stretch your trip to cover more attractions of UAE. For your trip beyond 10 days, we will recommend you to have a day or at least half a day off just to unwind and relax. 3. How to get visa. Looks like a simple step, obtaining a visa, but there are various options available to you. One disclaimer here that please do your research before you travel for the latest update on the visa rules and your eligibility for visa. For tourists, the most common type of visa is tourist visa. You can apply for either 30 days or 60 days validity, based on your requirements. You can apply for tourist visa through authorized travel agents. If you are flying with any of the UAE airlines, they can get your tourist visa on your behalf. The cost changes from country to country. These visas are extendable one time if you wish to extend your stay. With visa on arrival, you will get 14 days validity. Citizens of certain countries, including US, UK, and Europe, and many more are eligible for this type of visa. In all cases, you should have at least 6-month validity of your passport. 4. Where to stay. Ideally, you would need 4 to 5 nights in Dubai, 2 nights in Abu Dhabi. So let's talk about where to stay in these two cities. There are 4 types of stay options available to you. 1. Luxury hotels. 2. Affordable or budget hotels. 3. Hotel or service apartments. 4. Homestays. You will get more options of stay in Dubai as compared to Abu Dhabi. If you are aiming to affordable or budget hotels or service apartments in Dubai, you can find these hotels in Bur Dubai, Dira or Al Barsha, and have a metro connectivity. 5. How to move around in UAE. If you are visiting UAE, then public transport is your safest bet. Let's look at the available travel options for you in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. For travel within Dubai, you have multiple modes of transport. Most reliable and convenient option is Dubai Metro. Cabs are also easily available 24/7 and are fairly economical. Dubai Tram runs only in Dubai Marine area. and monorail runs only in Palm Jumeirah. Places which are not accessible by metro, you can reach there by public buses. For leisure and small-distance travels, public bikes and e-scooters are available. Ferry or a water taxi is also one of the best ways to enjoy the skyline of Dubai without any traffic. If you have a family of 4 or you have less time in UAE, it is better to rent a car for self-drive or hire a car, which means there will be a dedicated driver to take you around. Although for driving a car here, you would need an international driving license and you should be familiar with left-hand driving, local parking rules, and speed limits, because speed cameras are installed everywhere in the UAE. You can use this car to travel to Abu Dhabi as well. For Abu Dhabi, taxi is the best and reliable option to travel within the city. Between Abu Dhabi and Dubai, there are public buses available, which will take you from one city to the other for around 25 AED per person. For small distances, in Abu Dhabi as well, there are e-scooters and bikes are available within the city. Although in summers, they are not very comfortable because of extreme heat. 6. Where to go? Now, let's zoom into the fun at Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. Imagine a place where rides are super fast and it feels like you're flying. It's not just any theme park. It's like a turbocharged adventure for those who love excitement. Swooning over to Sea World in Abu Dhabi, get ready for a dive into an underwater wonderland. Think about seeing colorful fish and playful dolphins. It's like visiting an aquarium with incredible things to discover beneath the waves. Our next stop is the art-filled Louvre Abu Dhabi. It's not your regular museum. It's a place with amazing art that tells stories from different times and places. Get ready for an art adventure that's like going on a journey through pictures. Now let's join the lively party at the Sheikh Zayed Festival. It's not just any festival. It's a celebration that shows off the cool traditions of Abu Dhabi. Get ready for music, dance, and learning about the awesome traditions of the people who live there. Hold on tight for some splashy fun at Yas Water World. It's not your usual water park. It's a place with slides, pools, and adventures all around. Get ready to cool off and have a blast in this watery wonderland. Now let's add some cartoon magic at Warner Bros. World Abu Dhabi. It's not just a theme park. It's like stepping into your favorite cartoons. Get ready to laugh, play, and make awesome memories with characters you love. Our last stop is Yas Mall, a gigantic shopping place. It's not just for shopping. It's like a big area with stores, places to eat, and fun things to do. Whether you love shopping or just exploring, Yas Mall is a cool spot for everyone. Dubai keeps the fun going, so enjoy your extra days with more exciting places to explore. Thanks for embarking on this legendary discovery with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel insights. Until next time, stay tuned for more legendary adventures.